T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have engine ignition.
And we have liftoff of the Antares NG-11 mission to the ISS. Engines at full power. Attitude is nominal. Core pressurization looks good. Power systems look good. Stable operation, full power, both engines. Core pressures look solid. Attitude is nominal. TVC is nominal. Power systems look good. Engines remain at full thrust, operating nominally.
Everything looking good during this first stage burn. It burns for 3 minutes, 35 seconds.
Throttling back to 55% power. Attitude remains nominal. Nominal operation at 55% power. Throttling back up to full power. Engines are back to full power. TPC remains nominal. Attitude nominal, T plus 60 seconds. Altitude passes 25,000 feet. Pass through transonic. Attitude is nominal. Engines continue to operate at full power.
Everything looking good, about 10 more seconds of this first stage burn.
With nominal attitude, pass through 40,000 feet altitude. Engines remain nominal with full power. Fuel pressurization is nominal, VNG3 is on. Altitude past 60,000 feet. Engines remain nominal, attitude and power systems all look good. Coming up on T plus 2 minutes. Engines continue to operate nominally at 100% power. TVC steering, power systems,
2 minutes into the flight, 1 minute 30 seconds until this main engine cut off.
Altitude passing through 100,000 feet. Power systems remain nominal. Attitude is good. Engines continue to operate at full power. Engines remain nominal. Power systems are good. Attitude is nominal. Core pressures look nominal. Approximately 1 minute till main engine cutoff. Engine power is nominal. Attitude is nominal. Avionics power is good. We're starting our slow throttle ramp for G limiting. 200,000 feet altitude as we approach T plus 3 minutes. Attitude remains nominal. 10,000 feet per second. Engines have throttled back to 55.
About 30 more seconds of this burn. Main engine will cut off. Stage 1 will separate, and the vehicle will coast for just a bit before fairing separation.
Engine operation at 55% power is nominal. TVC slew for main engine cutoff has started. Attitude remains nominal. Engine operation continues to be nominal. Altitude 300,000 feet. And we have main engine cutoff. Attitude remains nominal post-shutdown. Stage 1 separation. ACS performance is nominal. Stage 2 ignition will be in approximately 30 seconds.
Again, this is a coast period.
Antares is now coasting in preparation for Stage 2 ignition. Stage 1 delta V was 17,348 feet per second. Altitude is 130 kilometers. Interstage SEP. Attitude remains nominal. TVC batteries initiated. And we have Stage 2 ignition. Attitude remains nominal. The Castor 30XL motor will burn for approximately 2.5 minutes. Attitude is nominal. Motor pressure is nominal at approximately 100 psi. Power systems look good. Stage 2 TVC is nominal, and attitude remains nominal.
Everything looking good. The fairing has been separating. Cygnus is now revealed, and the inner stage at the back of the vehicle separated before Stage 2 ignition.